heading out for Youth Day of deer season. We've been looking forward to it for a long time. Hopefully we'll see a deer. We got it tonight. We got it.
You ready for this?
We changed the blind position and the landowner saw a buck down in this clover field. It's a perfect night. The wind's just right. It's gonna be in our faces. This sets up to be ideal. Ideal. You get a shot all the way down there. Put the scope right on there. Can you lean forward? Remember? There you go. We got this. You know, the patience of an 11-year-old isn't the best. Because a deer will see movement at the barrel. And if the deer's looking up here, you don't move, okay? I just knew the deer would show up. 5 minutes left. The deer. See it right there? All right, get you right. 4 more come rolling out. We get 5 deer in the field. Before to go broadside.
Can I shoot it?
No, not yet. Just relax.
Okay.
Do not shoot unless you have a good shot. We go shoot tonight, ended at 6:10, and we really saw the deer at like 6:07.
I'm nervous. I'm really nervous.
You know, a lot of emotions. Her heart was racing. She gets it now. You got this, kid.
I didn't think that was what it was gonna feel like.
Yeah, when it's nice and steady,
Okay.
just squeeze the trigger. Look right at it.
It's not broadside.
You got another minute or so.
Okay.
If you get a good shot at it, take it, okay? You put the crosshairs right between its shoulders. A minute after, I'm not gonna let her take the shot. It's too late. You're past legal. You're past legal. You're past legal. I'm not letting you shoot a deer like right now. It's okay. Just couldn't take the shot. Couldn't get the shot tonight. That's hunting. That's deer hunting. You did awesome. The deer wins tonight. You did awesome. I'm proud of you. You do it right all the time. If she learned that, she'll remember it. It's a good lesson.
It got very crazy.
That's what you need to do, is look through the scope at a deer. You realize that the adrenaline and the heart's racing is fun. That's why we all do it. That's deer hunt right there. Awesome. Fun stuff.